Well, I worked in federal law enforcement for 24 years. And then in 2017, my boys and I started a auto detailing business. In 2019, I went to an orthopedic clinic here in Illinois, and they diagnosed me with the primary focus on the left knee with degenerative arthritis. And all they wanted to do was either give the lubricant injections or talk about surgery. And I didn't want to get knee replacement surgery done unless I just absolutely had to. I didn't realize there were other options out there short of knee replacement until I came to the Regenerative Center. It was a no-brainer for me to leave the state of Illinois and my current provider to go to a place that's giving me options, non-surgical options.
Mark came to us with severe degeneration in both knees. His x-rays showed clear bone-on-bone advanced arthritis that was significantly limiting his movement and causing daily pain. He'd been told by another doctor he was a candidate for knee replacement, but he felt he was too young and too active for that to be his only option. He wanted a non-surgical path that could keep him working with his sons and living life without constant pain. That's when he reached out to us at the Regenerative Center. We developed a regenerative protocol that included platelet-rich plasma and advanced cellular therapy to target inflammation, support tissue repair, and restore joint function.
I got to meet on my first visit for a consultation with Dr. Matt. He tested the flexibility and we did x-rays. Both knees, even though my right knee was asymptomatic, both knees had degenerative arthritis and were basically bone on bone. Before I had the injections done, the pain in the left knee was 24/7. It hurt all day, every day. Even if I was just sitting around watching TV or watching a football game, I didn't have to do any activity for it to hurt. It hurt me during the night to where I couldn't sleep. And there were a lot of mobility issues. It was difficult climbing stairs, bending down. The knee popped and creaked a lot. The swelling was bad. Since the procedures, the 24/7 pain is completely gone. After my last procedure, which was in July, I haven't even felt a twinge of pain. I'm able to bend down. I'm able to walk without a limp for the first time, probably in about 6 years. I'm a hands-on kind of guy. I don't feel right, telling my sons, hey, go out there and clean that vehicle, and when you're done, I'll pay you. As they can testify to, usually I'm out here helping them with every single vehicle. I think it's good to lead by example, and I just don't feel right making them do all the work. And so it's not a quality issue. They're very good detailers, but it allowed me to be back out here working with them, helping them make money. Just meeting and greeting the customers as they're here is a big deal. People like that kind of service. Knowing that with my prior provider, who only gave me 2 options, I'd encourage everyone to go to the Regenerative Center in Paducah to get an evaluation. It's been a big plus being able to live without pain.
Today, Mark is back to doing the things that matter most to him, from running his business with his boys to training in jiu-jitsu. Over the last 13 years, we've often seen how the body has the ability to heal when it's given the right support, and Mark's story is a powerful example of that. If you're facing knee pain and want to avoid surgery, contact us today and see what's possible.